Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the 7ERCMAST 2024. I'm Ranga Sumirat as presenter and author for this research. I'm from Faculty of Law and Digital Business Magister Management Program, Maranatha Christian University, Bandung, Indonesia. I'm delighted to have you all here as we dive into fascinating world of consumer behavior, specifically focusing on millennials and Generation Z. My research sheds light on the powerful interplay between fear of missing out, commonly known as FOMO, and fear of marketing. These factors not only shape consumer decision but also reveals critical insight into the motivation behind modern purchasing behaviors. Today, we will explore how FOMO acts as a primary driver, particularly in exclusive products, and how viral marketing amplifies this effect. This understanding is essential for businesses aiming to adapt their strategies to stay relevant in an ever evolving marketplace. Let's begin by setting in the stage with an introduction to the problem we are addressing in significance. Thank you once again for joining today. Understanding the consumer behavior of these two generations is a crucial aspect in designing effective and relevant marketing strategies to reach a target market oriented towards exclusive products such as Apple. Lifestyle of influencer in social media indirectly creating viral marketing for a product, thus triggering the promo phenomenon. The FOMO phenomenon that occurs as a result of viral marketing can be utilized by marketing practitioners in marketing a product, which can be referred to as a viral marketing strategy. This causes a shift in online marketing, where influencers play an important role in shaping brand credibility and consumer behavior. In the context of FOMO and the purchase of exclusive products by millennials and Z generation, there are several dimensions that will be raised in this study to better understand the impact and interaction between the two factors. FOMO has an influence on consumptive behavior, such as in purchasing decisions that are influenced by the desire to be considered trendy and feel connected to the society. There are several areas that can be identified and studied in depth. Namely, although it is mentioned that FOMO affect the way Generation Y and Z respond to exclusive products, further explanation of the internal mechanism of FOMO, such as how the fear of missing out, the need to connect, and the need for social validation affect consumer behavior toward purchasing decision, and how the internal mechanism of viral marketing can change consumer behavior in purchasing decision. According to Yaputri et al., FOMO, or the fear of missing out, plays a significant role in driving consumptive behavior. It fosters a strong desire among individuals to feel connected and trendy, influencing their decision to purchase products or engage in activities that align with current trends. The psychological trigger not only shape consumer behavior but also highlight the powerful impact of social influence in modern marketing strategies. Prisbilaisky et al. Described FOMO, or the fear of missing out, as a strong desire to stay connected to the experience of others. This feeling is significantly amplified by the rise of social media and influencer-driven marketing campaigns, which constantly showcase curate lifestyle and event. By leveraging this psychological need, marketers create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, motivating individuals to engage with products or experience to feel included. Consumer behavior can be measured by various dimensions such as environmental influence, include culture, social class, personal, and family influence, and then psychological process including information processing, learning, change in attitude and behavior. And then viral marketing is a marketing strategy that causes consumer intention to share information and is described as a marketing tool or marketing phenomenon to encourage and urge consumer to share message by utilizing interaction in the media. Highlight the role of the messenger, the message, and the environment in creating and spreading viral content. And then FOMO is an opportunity to participate in an activity or own a product that is considered important by the social environment. In this case, the social environment plays an important role in influencing consumer behavior through the fear of missing out on these opportunities. This fear creates feelings of discomfort and stress for individuals, which triggers the motivation to buy products or follow certain trends. Based on the research that has been done, there are four dimensions of FOMO, namely belonging desire, include prestige of sensitivity, and then connectedness is praise from the others, and then the anxiety of isolation includes being alienated, and then being ignored and falling behind. Consumer must go through the entire sequence of stage when buying a product, especially because this model accommodates all the consideration that arise when consumer face new purchases with higher order. According to Kotler and Armstrong, purchasing decisions have the following dimension. The first one is product choice, and then brand choice, and then choice of distributor, and then purchase time, and then as the for the number of purchases, and the last one is payment method. In the brand of awareness is the ability of prospective buyer to recognize or recall a brand as a part of particular product category. Brand awareness describes the presence of a brand in the minds of consumer, which can be decisive in some categories and usually has a key role in the brand equity. Four indicators can be used to determine how far consumers are aware of a brand, including the following. Criantono 2006 is a recall, which is how far consumer can remember when asked when brand they remember. And then recognition is how far consumer can recognize the brand belongs to a certain category. And then purchase, namely how far consumer will include a brand in choice when buying a product or service. And then consumption, namely how far consumer can recognize brands when using product and services. And the generation involved is millennials and Z, particularly their tech savviness and social media dependency. I have three hypotheses in this research. Hypothesis 1 is there is an influence of viral marketing on positive consumer behavior. Research by Hidayati proves that viral marketing has a significant effect on purchasing decision. Likewise, research conducted Fari et al. Found that viral marketing has a positive effect on purchasing decision. In the hypothesis 2, there is a positive influence of fear of missing out on consumer behavior. Research by Rataningsi et al. Confirmed the fear of missing out has a positive and significant influence both partially and simultaneously on consumer purchasing decision. Similar findings were also confirmed by Shafa et al. In the hypothesis 3, consumer behavior has a positive effect on purchasing decision, mediated by viral marketing and fear of missing out. Yapuri et al. Explain the FOMO has an influence on consumptive behavior, such as in purchasing decisions that are influenced by desire to be considered trendy and feel connected to society. And then, according Ansari et al., there is a positive but weak relationship between brand awareness and purchasing decision. This is a very opposite to the current market condition where the purchase of Apple exclusive product is thought to be due to the influence of the fear of missing out trend and viral marketing method using digital technology. to market this exclusive Apple product so that it affect consumer behavior to able to buy them massively. This research used independent variables, namely consumer behavior as X, the dependent variable in this study is purchasing decision as Y, and the moderating variable in this study are viral marketing and FOMO as Z. Data collection technique including distributing online questionnaire via Google Form and direct survey containing question which will be used as answer from respondent. The 5-point Likert scale measure how strongly or often customer experience FOMO caused by viral marketing on social media for exclusive products Apple and asks the extent to which respondents feel pressure by the fear of losing opportunity in the purchasing decision and owning this exclusive product. The population used in this study are consumers who have social media with an age range of 24 to 34 years. The sampling method used non-probability, namely the purposive sampling technique. This research data will be analyzed using the partial least square PLS and structural equation modeling SAM method on Smart PLS 3.0 software. The result of this research is there is a positive influence of FOMO on consumer behavior. FOMO significantly impact consumer behavior. This research strongly supports the hypothesis, highlighting FOMO as a critical psychological driver of consumer behavior. Consumers are influenced by their fear of exclusion and their desire of social validation, making FOMO a central focus for marketing strategies. And then, consumer behavior has a positive effect on purchasing decision mediated by viral marketing and FOMO. FOMO is a powerful driver of consumer behavior and purchasing decision, especially for exclusive products. This result partially supports the hypothesis, showing the combined effect of FOMO and viral marketing influence consumer behavior and purchasing decision. FOMO emerges as a dominant mediator with viral marketing and providing secondary support, which means hypothesis 2 and 3 have a strong influence while hypothesis 1 is not as strong as the others. This study reveals that although viral marketing does not show a significant direct influence on consumer behavior among millennial and Z generation Apple product users, fear of missing out has a significant positive influence on consumer behavior. These findings suggest that FOMO plays an important role in influencing consumer behavior and their purchase decision. Although viral marketing might not directly influence consumer behavior, the influence of FOMO in this study is an important variable that strengthens the relationship between consumer behavior and purchase decision. Thus, for effective marketing strategies, marketers need to consider FOMO as a major factor in designing sales strategies that can influence consumer behavior in purchase decision. The recommendation I can give are to enhance the understanding of viral marketing and FOMO. It is recommended to expand research beyond millennials and Generation Z, incorporating Generation X and baby boomers. This broader focus will uncover how these strategies impact different age groups. Additionally, examining the influence of FOMO and viral marketing on purchasing decision for non-premium and essential product can reveal variation across product categories. Lastly, exploring the ethical implication of this tactic, particularly their potential to drive overconsumption, is crucial. This includes assessing how sustainable practice can be aligned with FOMO-driven and viral marketing strategies to promote responsible consumer behavior. Thank you all for your time and attention today. Hope this presentation inspires new ideas and approach in your respective fields. If you have any question or would like to explore any aspect in more detail, we're happy to discuss further. Have a great day.